I'm Amber Valletta, a model, an actress, an activist, and the sustainability ambassador at Karl Lagerfeld.
Karl has been a huge friend and mentor to Amber since she was 17. At some point, Amber actually approached Karl with the idea of a sustainable collection to be done together as the Karl Lagerfeld brand.
To design in a way that's more sustainable for the planet and for people and for our industry long term.
Amber is not only our sustainability ambassador, she's an integral part of our leadership team when it comes to all sustainability matters.
I just think there's like a really big missed opportunity. People look at fashion for setting trends. Well, the trend should be that we make things better. We can actually create more clothing from all of the clothes we have on the planet right now. It's just gonna take innovation and it's gonna take creativity.